Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you in Windows application using Textbox control how to search records from a database and display in a Datagridview control. Start. Now in the text box, when I enter the first letter, it will display the results. M, C mobiles, TV, L laptops. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I have created a new Windows application. Right now in this Form 1 design page, let me expand this one. Now in this Form 1 page, I am adding one Textbox control and one Datagridview control. Go to Toolbox, All Windows Forms, Textbox control, the next control I am adding Datagridview control. Go to Toolbox, under Data Folders, Datagridview. That's it. Up to now we have just finished the designing part. Double click the form page. Now we'll add the connection string properties in the app.config file. Go to Server Explorer, right click the data connections, add connection. The server name of SQL server is after adding the server name, the database name is SampleDB. Test connection. Okay. And notice under data connections we got the sampledb.dbo, but we need the data connection string of this sampledb.dbo. Right click that one, properties. In the properties, notice the connection string, copy the data source, open Solution Explorer, app.config file, open that one. Inside the configuration, I am adding connection string tag, add name is equals to, I am giving proper name to my connection string, my connection string. I am pasting the data source here. The provider name is system.data.SQL client. After adding the connection string in the app.config file, switch to the code behind. Let's add the namespaces. Here system.data is already added, so I'm adding here using system.data.SQL client. To access the connection string from the web.config file, we need the system.configuration. Using system.configuration. After adding the namespaces, in Windows application, the system.configuration is not added but default in the references folder here. So we need to add the system.configuration in the project references folder. Right click the references, add references, the system.configuration. Check the checkbox control, click OK. See here the system.configuration is added under references folder. String main con is equals to configuration manager dot connection strings between square brackets double quotes. I'm adding my connection string name from the app.config my con. I'm pasting here dot connection string SQL connection SQL con is equals to new SQL connection which takes main con parameter. String SQL query is equals to, in SQL query we are writing the select statement. So before writing the select statement, let's visit the SQL Server Management Studio. We'll check the table and the column names. The table name is the product catalog, and these are the columns in this product catalog table. Now I want to display these tables in that Datagridview control. Select start from, the table name is dbo.productCatalog. Copy that one, paste here. SQL con.open method, SQL command SQL com is equals to new SQL command which takes SQL query. It's a command text, and the second one is a SQL connection object which is SQL con. SQL data adapter SDR is equals to new SQL data adapter SQL com parameter. Data table DT is equals to new data table SDR.fill. I'm filling the data adapter with DT. Now I'm adding the data table object to the Datagridview control. Datagridview1, which is a Datagridview control ID dot data source is equals to DT. I'm closing the connection string dot close method. That's it. Up to now we have just finished to display records in a Datagridview control from a database. Let's check the results. Start. And here we got the output. Now my next step is, in the Textbox control, when I enter the product catalog, for example, if I enter TV, I want to display the TV records only in the Datagridview control. And stop debugging. Switch to the design mode. Select the text box. Press F4 for the text box properties. And notice the text box properties, the icons, the fourth one is the events. Click that one. Text box change it. Double click that one. And here we got the text box changed event. So instead of writing again the connection strings, I'm just copying this one, pasting here. String SQL query is equals to select statement. Select start from, the table name is a dbo.productCatalog. Copy that one, where the column name is product catalog. Copy this one, is equals to single quotes plus plus double quotes single quotes double quotes. Now between this plus plus I am adding the text box control, textbox 1 dot text SQL con dot open method So instead of writing again the same code, I'm just copying this part. I've only changed the select statement in the text changed event. That's it. Let's check the results. Start. And here we got the output. Now I'm entering the product catalog mobiles. See, here we got the mobiles. Now if I enter TV, notice in this search I need to enter the whole product name. For example, mobiles. If I enter the complete text search, then only I will get the result. Now I'll show you the second method to search using wildcard tag. Let's close this one. In the text changed event, the select query, after product catalog I'm adding a like, percentage. Now see the results. When I enter the first character only, it will display the results in the Datagridview control. Start. Now in the text box, when I enter the first letter, it will display the results. M, C mobiles, TV, L laptops. That's it. In my next video I will show you in Windows application how to search with the combo box.